Mr. Morton and I'm Head of Computer Science at Birkdale School. I'm now going to try to persuade you that computer science is the right choice for you. So what do we mean by computer science, first of all? Well, it's not like ICT, it's not just using programs. We will certainly make use of Word and Excel and these kind of things as part of the course, but it's much more about creating programs. It's the actual creation of new applications and programs. It involves lots of programming and it involves learning how to solve problems. So it's a very challenging course. There's a lot of things to learn, a lot of theory and a lot of actual practical application that are involved. So it's very mentally challenging, but it can also be very financially rewarding if you enter the computing industry. It's a great choice for men and women in this day and age. What do you need to be able to get started on the course? Well, we would recommend that you have a grade B at GCSE Maths, but we're much more interested in your attitude and your enthusiasm for the course. It will be very helpful if you have access to a PC, but we will supply software and all the course notes that you need for that. What kind of programs might you make on the course? Well, we have a variety. We start off with text-based programming and we make some simple games, and that teaches us about object-oriented principles. We also make blocky style games, 3D environments, and that teaches more about these key concepts for the course. We will also use more standard Windows form-based programming, and that teaches us good programming skills. We perhaps will have a look at some gaming, some 2D retro style gaming, to reinforce those concepts and to develop your ability to solve a problem and write some code. We do full stack development. Full stack means the whole of the internet, so from the HTML browsers, the CSS to format them, but also JavaScript, SQL languages for the databases, and PHP on the servers. So a huge range of skills will be explored in this course. We will also maybe look at some more advanced technologies, some of the game engines like the Unreal Engine or the Unity Engine, and we can maybe extend that as far as doing some 3D programming that will be used in virtual reality. So expect on the course to do lots of programming. Okay, so what's the difference between a GCSE and an A-level then? We would expect that the simple programs that you meet at GCSE, we're going into much more complexity than that. So at GCSE, we have what I would refer to as Mickey Mouse programming, 10 lines, 15 lines of code. In your A-level, you will do a project that could be a significant and substantial piece of work. We will include things like recursion, we will have data structures like trees and stacks and so on. So these are all parts of the theory that are covered in the course. In previous years, many of our students have chosen a wide variety of projects, and you will get to choose your own project in the upper 6 of that course. And finally, what are you going to do when you've finished the course? Well, there are a wide range of opportunities. We have many industries that feed off of computer science. Some of our students have gone on to medicine, engineering, sciences, as well as computing and game development. But there are many industries that are opening up, such as robotics, big data, and a whole variety of other things. In addition to this, while you're at school, we take part in a lot of extracurricular activities, such as competitions around encryption, around coding, and anything involving computer science. We like to get involved and give you a chance to explore that. So if you're interested, read up on the spec, have a think about what that involves, and if you get any questions, come back to us here at Birkdale School.